everybody, it's Crafty Rhea. Today is Thursday, March 19th, and that means it's time to announce the winner of my 50th Recycled Christmas Card video giveaway. This was the card I made in that video. It has the door that opens to reveal a Christmas tree and presents inside. Plus it has a regular inside with a sentiment. This will be part of the giveaway, and I'll show you what else is going to be part of the giveaway. I showed this in the other video, but just to remind you, we have this American Girl Library Christmas Crafts book. It has a bunch of really cool projects in it that I think everyone will love, especially now that a lot of people are home from school. It's great. It's a great time to start your Christmas crafts. And this Holiday Splendor rubber stamp collection, it has 5 rubber stamps and a black ink pad in there. And this is by Stampabilities. And also these holiday style rub-ons from October Afternoon. They are red snowflake rub-ons. And then this cute little package of different embellishments. There's some snowflakes and some Christmas ornaments in there. Great for your Christmas cards. I kept it with kind of a Christmas theme to go along with my Christmas card videos. So are we ready to see who won? I can't wait to see. I went ahead and got my phone and, oh, I need to do my Face ID. Okay, there we go. So what I did was I went to the commentpicker.com, and it is for picking winners from YouTube comments. I put the URL of that video in there, or I need to click Get YouTube Comments, and it says the amount of unique comments 25. So then I will hit, I'm going to turn it this way, and then I will hit the start button and we'll see who the winner is. The winner is Brenda Krebs. She says, love your videos. Thanks for the opportunity for the giveaway prize. Congratulations, Brenda. And you have until Saturday night to send me an email with your name, obviously, and your address, your mailing address. And I'll go ahead and get your prize out in the mail to you. If I don't get there's motion at my front door. If I don't hear from you, Brenda, by the time I get up Sunday morning, I will draw another winner. So please leave me an email. My email address will be in the comments below. It is tiggeria@gmail.com. TIGGERIA. And I'll leave that in the comments below so you know. There we go, Brenda. Congratulations. And I hope to hear from you by Sunday morning. Thank you so much, everyone, for entering my giveaway and for leaving me wonderful comments. I appreciate all of you. Some of you said you're watching every single one of my 50 Christmas card videos and that you are crafting right along with me. That is awesome. It really made my day. Thanks again to all of you, and congratulations, Brenda. I hope to hear from you before Sunday morning. You guys take care, and you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.